Negotiation, a pivotal word that resonates in our professional and personal lives, bridging the gap between success and stagnation. At the core of discussions, deals, and decisions, negotiation skills shape our achievements. Yet navigating through this path presents obstacles. We are on a journey to grasp the essence of negotiation, spotlighting the challenges that often impede progress. Fear, misunderstanding, and a lack of preparation are significant barriers, stirring missed opportunities and unresolved disputes. However, armed with effective techniques and strategies, we transform these hurdles into stepping stones, enhancing not only our outcomes, but the very journeys we embark on. Let's traverse the art of negotiation together, aiming not merely for what we want, but rightfully deserve. Central to negotiation success is effective communication, epitomized not only through speech, but in ensuring our messages are comprehended. Active listening is crucial, enabling thoughtful responses that demonstrate respect and foster cooperation. The art of clear expression further avoids misunderstandings that could derail progress. Importantly, our nonverbal cues, gestures, facial expressions, and posture play a pivotal role, often speaking louder than words. These are the foundations for trust and openness. With these skills in hand, we're better equipped to influence outcomes positively as we advance in our exploration of negotiation strategies. Overcoming conflict in negotiation requires more than a temporary solution. It demands an understanding of the root cause of discord. Viewing each conflict as a unique challenge, empathy becomes a powerful tool for unlocking creative solutions. It's about fully embracing another's perspective, paving the way for innovative problem solving and transformative discussions. Empathy and creativity aren't mere strategies, but the essence of win-win outcomes, empowering us to resolve conflicts favorably for all parties involved. These principles are vital as we navigate real-life scenarios, fostering paths to mutual respect. Persuasion is an essential facet of negotiation, misunderstood by some as manipulation, yet it's a principle grounded in ethical influence. Understanding the psychology behind persuasion, where emotion complements logic, enables us to present information that resonates deeply. Trust and rapport are fundamental, as influence grows when we engage genuinely, understanding and addressing the other person's perspective and needs. As we delve into leveraging persuasion, remember our objective: to create an environment where everyone feels respected and motivated towards collective goals. Achieving a win-win outcome represents the zenith of negotiation, transcending simple compromise to fulfill each party's needs equitably. This requires a blend of empathy, creativity, and strategic insight, focusing on mutual benefits to forge durable, respectful relationships. Such relationships are not just a successful negotiation byproduct, but its very foundation, transforming transactions into lasting partnerships. As we conclude this series, remember that the essence of negotiation prowess is not merely to win, but to ensure collective victory, heralding ongoing collaboration and lasting success.